Hello guys, welcome to this channel. How to fix OpenClaw Gateway not working. Right? To fix a non-working OpenClaw Gateway, restart it by running system control. You then restart OpenClaw Gateway in your terminal. For crashes, exit the setup, Control C, and use system control. Use a restart OpenClaw Gateway. If on VPS, restart via the hosting or VPS dashboard. For connection errors, approve devices with OpenClaw devices approve request, right? So all you gotta do is just copy, right? Copy your code basically, right? By using command copy or control copy, right? And restart your gateway, or your OpenClaw gateway, and put it back again and run it. Right, and that should fix your problem. If there is any problem using your connection, all you gotta do is just restart your connection or restart your Wi-Fi from the top, right? Either by shutting down your modem or your Wi-Fi and then reopen it again manually or automatically from the settings, right? So if you go to the system preferences or settings, if you're using a newer model, all you gotta do is just find Wi-Fi, right? So I'm gonna type Wi-Fi, right? You can see network here, right? And inside you're gonna see the available network. All you gotta do is just shut it down, right away, and then or turn off Wi-Fi and reopen it again. You're gonna see, of course, the available networks here. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.